This story is about 3 months ago when I used to work in an animation company as an animator. That day was the last day to submit my project, so I was working till late night because my boss was quite strict. It was 9 o'clock in the night and all of my colleagues were about to leave. Later, some of my other colleagues invited me to go home with them because they booked a cab, but I refused them. I was completely alone in the office. I had never seen the office so quiet like today. After some time, I completed my project and emailed it to my boss. Then I came out from the office and it was 11 o'clock. At this time, there was no bus to my home. I could also book a cab, but I was saving a bit of money for my new car. Then I reached the metro station and there were only a few people at the station. After some time, my train came. Then I went and sat on my seat and there were only 3 more people in my compartment. 2 of them seems like couple and a hooded man whose face was not showing properly. I was dozing in sleep for a while because of war I couldn't sleep well last night. Then the train stopped at the station and suddenly I woke up and my phone dropped down. That couple get up at the station. When I was picking up my phone, I saw that the hooded man had a knife in his pocket. I started feeling a little scared because there were only 2 of us in that compartment. I quickly got off the train and walked towards my alley. After few minutes, I heard 2 footsteps. When I turned around and see that the same hooded man was following me. Then somehow I reached my building and ran towards my room. I quickly went inside my room and locked the door. But when I peeped through my window, no one outside. I thought maybe he was gone. Then I drank a glass of water and rested on my sofa. I don't know why, but I feel something strange. So I peeped again out of my window. And this time that hooded man was there. I was about to call the cops, then someone knocked my door really hard. Then I slowly picked up my golf stick and started moving towards my door. But when I opened the door, there is a girl who lives next door to me and she looks really scared. Then I told her to calm down and give her a glass of water. In the meantime, I complained the cops about that strange guy. Then the girl said that this guy has been following her for 3 weeks. Luckily, cops also came here on the time and arrested the strange guy. Then I heard from the cops that this guy murdered 3 girls like this.